I'm going to be using some Clamato. Let's go ahead and, oh, whoops, I was drinking in the truck and I dropped it. Mud or something like that. Uh-oh, there's mud now. What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys these brand new all-weather floor mats that I just got. I'm going to be doing an install and review. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys just how easy they are to install, how good it is to have all-weather floor mats versus, of course, carpeted floor mats. I know on these Tacomas, most of them only come with carpeted floor mats. Luckily, with mine, I did get some all-weathers from the factory, but I'm gonna still go ahead and change those out, and I'm gonna be trying out the OEDROs. Let's just see how they fit, how they look, and like I said, it's gonna be an install and review. Let's go ahead and get to it, and I'll show you how it's done. And even if you don't have a Tacoma and you have a different vehicle, if you guys do have carpeted floor mats, this company does make it for other vehicles, so go check them out. Their link will be in the description box below if you want to go ahead and purchase them. I also have a $20 off coupon code for you guys from this company, so if you guys do end up wanting to purchase them after this whole video, go ahead and check the description box below, like I said, and it's 20 bucks off. It's a good deal, they're not that expensive, and they look great. You'll see why. So of course, this is carpeted floor mats. If you drop water on them, if you drop food, if you drop many other things, it's a little bit harder to clean. They end up smelling over time, they end up ripping over time. So carpeted floor mats in the long run are probably not that good. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these away. As I stated, I did get the all-weather floor mats from Toyota, which, yeah, they're good, but I've abused them. I have a bunch of miles on my truck now. Maybe I'll do a comparison review down the road, see what I like better, see what lasted longer. Let's go ahead and put those to the side because I'm not gonna need them anymore. If you guys are in California or somewhere in this area, you guys know it's winter time. So this is the perfect time to go ahead and get your guys' all-weather floor mats. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm gonna show you what comes in the box. Inside this box here, you're gonna get your passenger and your driver's side. Also, you're gonna get the one for the rear. So I'll go ahead and show you just how easy these are to install right now. I just want to show you what comes in the box. Once you pull them out of the box, you're going to wonder which one's the driver's side, which one's the passenger side. So it's really easy to tell. So when you split them up, you're going to notice on this one, it doesn't really have no cutouts, nothing. It's just molded for the truck. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down. So for the driver's side, you're going to notice it is molded here to the top. As you can tell, it has a nice curve. So the reason for this is because on your driver's side, you do have a step right here where your foot goes. So that's how you know it's the driver's side. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in. Before I do so, you're gonna notice there's a little hole here and a little hole here. So basically what this does, it helps lock it in place so that way it doesn't move around or nothing like that. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in now and just see how molded it really is and how clean it's gonna be of an install. Now that I have it installed, I just wanted to state something. I believe this one fits a little more, or I would say a lot more flush than the factory ones that I had in here. The reason why is because on the factory ones, it didn't come out this far. It probably stopped like around here. On the OEDROs, they come out way over here. So that's actually pretty nice. That acts like a bucket. And then as well as up here, and on this side, even here. So it acts more of a bucket than, like I said, the factory ones. I really like that. That's pretty awesome. I like this little thing here. I think that's going to really help grip your foot when you have it there. That way it doesn't mess it up over time. That's seriously pretty awesome. Damn. And even look at their logo. Just look, I don't know. I can't peel off the sticker right now. I'm having some trouble, but I mean, their logo alone, that looks good. Okay, so back to this back here. So remember I was stating it has holes. So you're going to go ahead and insert it to these little pins here. Once you do, you can go ahead and turn it. Go ahead and turn it as well on this side. Once you do so, it like locks it in place, as you could tell. Just in case, if you see those rings, one day it pops off for some odd reason. Cool thing about OEDRO is they give you guys a backup. So you can go ahead and change it out if one rips off or something like that. All right, so now that I did the front one, we're gonna go ahead and now do the rear one. So for the rear, of course, if you guys have messed with them, it doesn't come with the clips. I used to have an eagle claw in here. That's why, well, actually I still do. I just took it off, but that's why I have a hole in it. But yeah, so these are gonna be the factories that I'm gonna go ahead and take out. Time to throw those bad boys away. Let's go ahead and pop in the OEDROs. Like I said, I do like these, no joke, because they're more of a bucket fill. So if you drop like water, if you drop anything on them, it's not gonna overflow out and spill into your actual carpet of the truck. So it keeps it inside, keeps it nice and clean. And right off the bat, I can already tell it's gonna be a snug fit, which is something that's good. So I'm having trouble putting it in, which is a good thing. Yeah, that's pretty tight in there. That's a lot tighter than the ones I had. So yeah, it doesn't go as long, so if you do drop something here, that's probably one downside. I think they should have added the lip. But besides that, these fit a lot more snug. The factory ones, you can kind of play with them. They pop right up. These, I mean, it's in there. I like that. So what I'm gonna do now is all I have left is the passenger side. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some mud on there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw juice on there. I don't know, different things. And then we're gonna see how easy they are to wipe down, see if it stains them or not. Let's go ahead and get to that part. So all we have left now is the passenger side, but I wanna go ahead and show you guys. It doesn't stain it. It keeps it clean versus, of course, if you had carpeted floor mats. So what I'm gonna be doing, and keep in mind, these are brand new, so I'm gonna try to dirty them for you guys. I'm gonna be using some Clamato. Let's go ahead and, oh, whoops, I was drinking in the truck and I dropped it, you know, something like that. Let's say you're out in the snow or you step in mud or something like that. Uh-oh, there's mud now. So as you can tell, this is probably how it would look after time if you got dirty or, you know, stepped in it, haven't cleaned it in a while. The reason why is because, like I said, they have that bucket filling system, so it's not going to overflow, it's not going to dirty your actual truck. And then the material that they use, it helps out for it to clean out easily. So let's go ahead and clean these out, dry them out, throw them in the truck, and show you guys that they're brand new again. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it off, and you're going to see how easy it really is. And of course, if you had carpeted ones, you probably could not do this, and you probably would not want to do it because it is carpet. As you can tell, nice and easy. Dry them out with the towel and it'll be nice and clean, and then we'll go ahead and install. And I want to go ahead and show you guys something, so don't click off the video. Let's do it. Makes it really easy to go ahead and clean it. You just get a towel. I'm using a shop towel because that's all I have. Makes it really easy to dry out. Like I said, if it was a sunny day, you can go ahead and leave it in the sun, and that's it. And just like that, you could tell, brand new. Just look at that logo, you guys. Looks good. It's gonna look good inside the truck. Let's go ahead and put these back in. All right, so as you can tell, on the factory ones, they're a lot thinner. These new OEDRO ones, they're like really rugged and tough. So I like that a lot. And as you can tell right here, you see how it cuts off? You're gonna see the difference when I install these. They're gonna come up to like maybe about here. So like I said, that bucket system, it's gonna really come in handy. Even for the back, as you could tell, it has that bucket system. Right here, it doesn't, it just cuts off. Let's install these, that way you see what I'm talking about. But even on that side, cuts off there. These ones, they seem to go about here. Let's go ahead and do it. Really easy, churn, churn, comes right out. Put these new ones in, just like that. Then you go ahead and churn, churn, just like that. Super simple, nothing too hard. Once again, as you could tell, bucket system, bucket system, bucket system. Looks really good. It's gonna work out, I already know it. But you guys, now right off the bat, like I stated, it looks really good. They're gonna be super functional. They're, to me, in my opinion, feel a lot better and look a lot better than the factory ones, the all-weather mats. So yeah, if you guys do want to go ahead and purchase your own OEDRO floor mats, all-weather mats I should say, it's going to be in the description box below. I do have that $20 off coupon code for you guys. Go ahead and grab them. It's a sweet deal. Honestly, you're not going to find another good deal like this around. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace. Yeah.